That same year, I started working in a government agency. On weekdays, every morning when I left the house, a white Land Cruiser with 3-digit license plates looked at me. I was going to work in a public car. He walked me to work and home after work. I noticed this and told my classmate that I thought someone was following me. He said, "Write down his numbers, we'll go to the same place." I asked, "What the hell?" He said that General Zukurov sent him one in order to find a loan. I asked what the task of this secret department was. He said that they were wiretapping phones. After the conversation, I realized that it was Nazar Zoda who was following me, because when I called on the phone, there was a long signal, and when I spoke, my voice rose and fell, like in a microphone, like musicians checking their musical instruments. One day we went to lunch with colleagues. I left the ministry. I saw him sitting in the car facing the ministry and looking at me. From that day on, he made it clear what would happen next. Honestly, I did not pay attention, because I had a very responsible position in this government agency.